Hi friends, I'm Fayaz Ahmad and you are watching the UI Tech channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can read your WhatsApp messages which are deleted by others and sent by others. So friends, in this video, I will tell you a complete how you can save your messages or read your messages which are deleted by others. In this video, I will tell you how you can completely know that someone else send you a messages WhatsApp messages or anything else which may be text, images and videos, and how you can read our save this automatically. So before starting my videos, I will request you, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, like my videos, comment my in this video if you have any question, and also share my videos. So I will start my videos from how you can read your WhatsApp messages which are deleted by others. First of all, I will request you, please go to your Play Store and download this software. NoticeSave is a software which are 10 million plus downloads. You can see on the screen. Please open this and allow this all things which are and just allow it if you are starting from this on the first time. So I have already installed at this software. I'm using this and I have two WhatsApp, which is WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp Simple, which are already used in this way. And WhatsApp Business, I will you can see this is a WhatsApp Business, and the other is a WhatsApp Simple, which are using all of you. So friends, I'm sending my message from my simple WhatsApp. Here is my WhatsApp which here I will send the message WhatsApp in this video. Hi, okay, I'm sending him hi, and I'm going to my WhatsApp Business, and you can see here is hi. I'm deleted it from this. Okay, you can see you deleted this message, and I am going to my other. This message was deleted. You can see that here is showing that you deleted this message, and here is this message was deleted. But I have a NoticeSave software which is saved my message. You can see there all of the messages are saved. You can see hi, how are you, this message was deleted, and at that time you can see on my screen 7:16 p.m. and you can see this 7:15 p.m. In this way you can save your text message which are deleted by others. You can save this already. I have already saved this. You can see I think that you will like my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, like my videos, comment in my comment box, and also share my video. Thanks a lot of